To naturally relieve a cough, stay hydrated with warm fluids like herbal teas and soups to soothe the throat. Honey, known for its soothing and antimicrobial properties, works well in warm water or tea. Inhale steam to ease congestion and reduce irritation. Ginger and turmeric offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Avoid cold air and irritants like smoke. Get plenty of rest and use a humidifier to support recovery and reduce coughing. Stay connected to Health Plus for more exciting health tips and videos.